Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday and it's March 20, 2023. I'm going to work and look at this.
And it's raining.
It's raining, man. You see, it's raining. It's
stuck in our window, the water.
It's very rare, guys, that it's going to be rain here in Abu Dhabi. Look at that. We feel excited to see the rain. There were sandstorms. I said there is a sandstorm, and look at that now. It's raining. Do you like rain, Amira?
Yeah, it's my favorite, and I want to feel the rain.
You want to feel the rain?
I want to feel the rain because it looks silly. It's sticking in our window like silly. Hey, get out of here, you water. Stop.
It's nice. Come on.
Yeah, it's nice. Why they are running away?
Why do you say it's silly if it's nice?
Why they're running away?
It's cleaning daddy window.
Huh?
It's cleaning daddy car window.
Oh.
Mirror.
He's wiping it off so he will say where he's going.
Yep.
Yes. There's more. But can I feel the rain? I want to feel the rain, Daddy.
We'll be sick.
Please.
It's just so beautiful.
Some just come to my hand.
It's beautiful, yeah?
It's raining. Some drops.
My love, can you clean the window so they can see the pineapple building? Look, the pineapple building, guys.
Yeah, I know it.
You like
I
it?
remember last time I saw that pineapple building.
It's two pineapple building.
Rahmakallah.
Hello, guys. How are you today? Look at there. It's very nice. When it's rain, the building becomes clean. The birds, a lot of pigeon there in the grass. They're enjoying rain. No, they're drinking water maybe.
They are eating grass.
They're eating grass?
Yeah.
Wallah.
Any animal.
Yes.
Any animal. Hey,
Oh.
hey, close شوي.
I will take you guys till the hospital.
It's
So
nice.
look, you will see around.
I need this nice. Check.
That is pineapple building. Hello guys, everyone in Abu Dhabi. Good
Check
morning
area,
to everybody. Good afternoon, Philippines, and I
There's a
think
lot.
good morning in America. I think it's
Good night.
good night in America. Ayawa good night in America. In Canada is night?
12.
It's a lot.
Okay, you can look closer the pineapple. Pineapple building is there.
Amira, close the window.
There's a lot of raining in my hair.
It's nice when it's rain. In Philippines, every day is raining, but here, guys, it will be like once or twice a year. So we like it.
And also twice a year of snowing.
Snowing.
Twinkle bell, twinkle all the way. On a fall whistle, white I wanna say, into it. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. I'm the bonnet, so I
You don't know even the lyrics, mommy. That means you're not singing.
I'm not singing.
She know.
Where's the raindrops? I need them.
You know how it...
They're my favorite drops.
Huh?
I need that water drops.
You need that water drops?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
It's gone? It's gone, the water drops?
It's gone from my window.
It's called the raindrop. Look at that bird. Raindrop.
Daddy, mommy,
Yes.
mommy. If it's storming, if it's also storming, if it's also cloud, and if the
Go
cloud
in.
is
Go in, Amira.
mommy.
Go in.
Yes, mommy.
Yalla, now we'll drive fast.
Allahu Akbar.
Sit good, Amira.
No, I
Sit
want
in your
my
chair.
rain.
Oh guys, we get on traffic like a few minutes ago. Now we are in, what is it called? This is Salam, huh? Salam Street. The fast truck. We're going to other island, guys. Going there in Rim Island. That way. So it's like 10 to 15 minutes to reach there. Inshallah, ya Rab. If we are in Romblon, I will keep telling you every day, let's go to fish. Let's go to get shell. Free food. What do you need? You know, if you're living in the island and you like to do these things, you will live free. And you plant your rice like this. Looks so beautiful. So this is the bridge, guys, going to Rim Island. That is Rim Island over there. It's look like Dubai, this place.
It's like Makata.
And it's like Makati. Makati city. It's all,
Here like Makata.
yeah. That one is like Makati, a lot of tall building over there. So I'll be here today. Look at there. Thank you, Daddy. That is Rim Mall. That is so huge mall. I haven't go inside yet, but inshallah one day we will go to that mall. It's so big. It's like bigger than Dubai Mall, right? No?
Dubai Mall, maybe it's the biggest.
Did you ever go to MOA, Mall of Asia? And Philippines, that's so big as well. shout out to everyone watching now, and thank you for watching.
Yeah, it's raining around now.
It's raining.